Welcome to duvidasedados Sales Dashboard. In this dashboard, we have the sales rank top to bottom for selected year and previous year. Focusing on the left bottom visual, we have the added sales number for selected year and previous year. This data is only as far as 10th October 2019 for demo purposes. Moving the mouse over the visual gives us more information. On the bottom right, we can also see the sales by quarter or by month in the same visual. So far, this report is pretty much like any other report you already came across. What's the difference between this report and many others? You can take a look at each manager performance just with one click. Let's see how Manager 7 is performing against last year. You can see the curve from this year was below last year on May, but on September he catch up the rhythm and he outperformed last year. Some managers also like to see the listing of the data underneath the report. And we have this option here. Listing, we can go full screen clicking here. Focus mode. On this full screen listing, we can filter the data. This data can then be exported to Excel. And back to the report. Don't forget to remove any filters here, as it may impact on the listing you're watching now. And this concludes this demo. Thank you.